Hi all, good morning.
Good morning, Chin.
I'm sharing my screen. Hope my screen is visible, right?
Yes, Chin.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yesterday we were discussing about like ES6 features. It means something like how we'll be creating different types of things, and means something like um, yesterday we have seen. Like almost all the things features cover in the ES6 something like a key. Like latent keywords, error functions, split operator, paraf operator, matches that we need to change once, and classes, premises, symbols, default parameters, string methods already covered, array methods also already covered, math functions are already covered, update entries also. So many things covered. Just like one, two things are pending in the ES6 features. Let me go through like those things and just like we can wrap it with JavaScript. You can wrap the JavaScript. Okay, yesterday we are seeing about this promises, right? I will explain in very clear manner so that you guys will get clarity how it will work it. JavaScript file like we have created like separately. I'm running with the live server. I'm going to the revision file explorer. I'm opening that file. Let's see. It doesn't know, like it's keep on loading it, something is happening. Actually, it should stop the execution, but something is fishy. For now, I have put it the return one so that it stop the execution. Let me try with the other way. Instead of this promise, like we need to use something like that get promise. Something is fishy with the promises, I think so. Like it's not stopping the execution. It's been the worry, but something is expecting. Okay, this function is getting covered and here. Okay. Something is fishy with that, like let's say like that. But promises creation way is this one. Like I'll try to find something like what is happening with that. But the promises is creating in this way only. New promise of our resolve logic thing. Might be I got it something like if any promise is getting failed, might be like we need to handle the try catch or something. We keep on executing something. Might be like no. Okay, got it. Whenever you are trying to use something like our promises, either failure or success state, like we need to have a try catch so that if an exception is thrown something, like it will keep on loading same thing. That's why like we need to have a try catch handler so that it doesn't keep on flowing it. We need to have the exception handler as the result try catch. See, final black will execute. Like once the try is like attempted, it will be executed finally. That's a mandatory statement. If enters to the file, it should execute finally. Try catch finally, it is used for something like exception handling purpose. Black of code. If any exception is was catch back. Just catch the finally in it means it's a mandatory statement in try. It will execute the thing. That is the mandatory thing that you can consider it. And like whatever we have seen about like promise or something. In that like promises like we are having so many benefits. I can say it. Something like promise at all, promise at all settled. Different types of things, something like we are having it. Like if you want to execute the parallel API request that time like our promise at all settled are just like mandatory. It will just like array of promises like it will be accepting it. And like until executing all that like it won't come and subscribe it. But if you use the async await now, okay, it will wait until the our execution flow is finishes. Our execution flow is finishes. We see here, if we see here, we are calling the reject thing, but suppose if we call the like resolve thing, we are getting in the to error response that is in fulfill status with the value as success. What the value is getting occurred, like we can easily subscribe the data. Depending on the requirement, we can easily subscribe the data. Like you can easily subscribe the data depending on the like you can fulfill the request and data as well. All settle means something like it will be executing parallel API request. It doesn't matter either it should be executing by the order. Once all the execution is done, we'll be getting the data in the this format. Based on status, something like we can easily filter it out, either fulfill or rejected or something. Rejected, we can easily figure it out like why it's becoming as a reject. Like we can just like we can fit the thing. That is the way of doing the promises parallel execution. But if you use the async and await, it will be waiting until getting the execution is done. It will wait until getting the data from server. Not if you want to use await keyword, I think here minute. Await one. It will return promise. I think also same thing. Like you return the promise and you can wait until that one. That is the flow of execution with the promises and promise that all settled and all things. And subscribing with that then and exception handling with the dot catch. Next. In the apparatus itself, like I'm going to write two things. I'm writing like this is an rest operator We can accept any number of arguments and it will be taken to the array. When you building in the array format. Any number of arguments like you will be passing will be taken to the array with the help of rest operator. Three dots and our operator name. That is just like rest operator which will be using for to take any number of arguments with the three dots. What is the output? We have something like in the array format. It's an output of the our array. This is a rest operator. Next as spread operator already we know it, but just I will show one example, one more example. This output like whatever we got in this array. To merge the two arrays, I just like to dissection the objects that we can use the spread operator and we can do it. Three dots, our list. Come on. Three dots, our list. This is the help of spread operator. Again, merge the two arrays, or just like we can do the destructuring of the array. That now things are possible. It will be just like it merged two times, like same thing, again same thing. That is with the help of spread operator. To merge two arrays. To merge the two arrays. Next. Oh, yesterday we have seen some set and map, right? Map sets. Am I right? Yesterday, do we seen the set and map or not? Math functions like we have seen it operators today. Yeah. Yesterday we have seen about maps, right? With the same thing like I'm going to show about sets. I can show about set and we can go to the other things. Set in the sense something that should be unique elements. Let's see like how our set will print. If you see here, set like it's printed as the unique elements. If you are trying to add the duplicates also, like it will be printing the unique things only. Unique things only. We can iterate with the help of dot values and we can get into the array and we can iterate it as just we can iterate by in the for each thing. to have the unique elements. सेट में तो सामने आते हैं. We'll create the new set. And next is the add. And new element. Delete. Remove. Revision for removing. As for checking it. Status. That key is available or not. Next for each. Next, values. Values you can use them. It will be written in particular operators with the all values in an array. It return in. Next says however in our array like we'll be using dot length in the same way in the set like we'll be using an size. In the A6 like we got some classes like we'll be using an use create a class. Always add a method named constructor. Syntax. From code we can write it. For example, car name and year. Just model we can consider. This is the way of something like how our car can have the thing. You can create the instances and you can just like use it. You can have the methods and you can use the things and you can write in written logic like however we will be writing in any other languages. Same way like we can write it and you can create a new instance right now and with that like we can use it. This is the example and we can create our car one equal to new instances. Car of we can say like RD 2019 model and car 2 is in bench a BMW, the 20 model. The sheets came with the same. Added 2019, bench 2020. Just like that is the way of how just like you can have the class with the instance and you can just like deal with that. Next is something like I'm going to show the JavaScript modules. If you guys having any doubts, you guys can please ask. Cutting over today is in 14 class. Modules in the sense something like you can just like break up your code into the separate lines, and this makes it easier to maintain code base. And JavaScript modules rely on just like import and export statements. The files element. Maintain the code base. It's easier to maintain the code base. And next is something like JavaScript modules rely on the import and export. You can export function. Let us create a file name something like one file you can create it, and if you want to export something like name and default thing, Simply.js I have created it and I'm going to export it here two things. Export const name equal to Chandu. Your choice, like I'm exporting two things. Age is 50 or just 26 or anything, just for example, like I'm writing it. Here if you see like in this line individually I'm exporting two things. It means like different things, like I am exporting it. And in one more way, like I'm uploading and like stage, and I'm doing an export. See here, these two things I'm going to export either this way or that way. Like these two are just like here I'm exporting two things, and they're just like I'm like separate only, like we are exporting it, but this is just like normal export. This is the two ways only we can do it. Like export is just like with the named export, like we can say it, these things. And I guess something like one more is just like default exports. For the default export, like we need to have a single file at yes. Let me say okay. There's arrow function, and I'm going to get something like you watch it. That's like like I'm going to get an age or something, just like so this is months, and like I'm going to return as those things something. Export default. That's it. In a single file, there should be like only one default thing. It means one single export will be there for each like file. And for using it, like we can use something like whatever we have put over there, like we can just do the imports and just like we can do it. That import, I'm like that. Like, can you suppose if you want to use that one, like we need to outside a module, like we cannot do it, but for that, like script type as something like module. You see here, this one like radio. I mean, like what are the value I have it? Like it's printed. If you're having a module that is just like used for the just like importing or just like putting the modules, and we can do only one logic there. Like whatever we have imported over there, and just like we can use it here. Well, see, like whatever I have entered here, some it came like with the message like function like I'm calling it. The default thing got imported and it's made like called. Okay. We need to use like as a model, then only like you can do it. Next concept is an JSON. JSON in the sense it's an JavaScript object notation. JSON stands for JavaScript object notation, and it is using for something like is a format for storing and transporting data. Next, JSON is an often so data is sent from a server to a web page, and JSON is an lightweight data interchange format. We can easily interchange the data formats. Next, I can say something like it's just like a language is an independent. Independent. Next, it's just like self-describing. Easy to understand it. You can easily understand it. You can have anything like you can have keys and values. Employees can have either in the arrays or just like in the JSONs. We can have it. Just like you can have like a name, age, salary, and all the things like. This is different types like you can have it like these JSONs. Okay. And JSONs in the tables. Data is in name or value page, and data is separated with the commas. Curly braces hold objects. Square brackets hold arrays. First one, name and value in the sense. It's just like name and value. That left side is a key and right side is a value. JavaScript like names like it's required as a double quotes. Both the things is preferable with the double quotes on the either key or value. Like we should be writing in the double quotes. In the left side or right side, I think we can easily consider it. You can easily consider it. You can easily consider it. Like we need to write in the double quotes and those things like will be key and value always in the like left is a key and right is a value. And tomorrow we can see we can continue still some more concepts are there in the JavaScript. Do you guys have any doubts on the today's class? If any doubts you guys can please ask us like we can wind up the class and we can meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much Allah for joining. We'll meet you tomorrow. Have a great day. For more updates, subscribe to the Tech channel. Thank you so much.